of load test on DC shunt generator. This is the prime mover for generator. Prime mover for generator. AC machine we are using. For the AC machine, the supply L1, L2, L3. This is the AC machine L1, L2 is coming from the supply RYB. For the AC machine, he is having three-phase machine, 3 windings. RYB like this. A phase winding, B phase winding and C phase winding. Total 6 terminals we are getting. These connections we have to do it. And do this connections. Again, so there is a DC shunt machine was there. Armature terminal, DC generator, armature terminal. Field terminals are available. And this is the load we are going to connect across armature or across field winding of DC shunt generator. Okay. So first of all, we are going to see this AC machine RYB supply. We are coming from here. RYB, red, yellow, blue is coming to the line of the machine, AC machine L1, L2, L3. After that, we have to connect this A terminal to A, C1 to C1, C to C, B1 to B1, B to B, A1 to A1. Similarly here see, A to A, red I have used for A terminal, A1 to A1, again yellow wire, B to B, B1 to B1. Next another winding is blue wire I have used, C to C, C1 to C1. So AC side, AC machine prime mover is completed to get a rated speed of generator. Now the generator part we are going to connect. So this is generator, only 4 terminals, armature 2 terminal, field winding 2 terminal. Across armature we have to connect a voltmeter in order to measure voltage. This is the one terminal, this is another terminal. These 2 terminals we have connected across armature. Now we have to connect the field winding. See, the field winding is connected through one rheostat and one ammeter. See, from the armature to armature terminal of A to ammeter, another terminal to field wind of one connection, another connection is going to the field rheostat. The field rheostat second end is going to the AA. So this field winding is connected across with the help of ammeter and field rheostat. Field winding is connected across armature with the help of field current and field rheostat. Next we have to connect a load, single phase load. So the single phase load is connected with the help of double DPST switch, double pole single through switch. See this, the AA terminal connected to this switch, these 2 terminals, input, and again output is connected to the load rheostat. But we need to measure the load current, how much you have to measure how much current is flowing through load. We have connected one ammeter 0 to 10 ampere like this. Okay, this is enough for connection diagram of DC shunt generator, load test on DC shunt generator. Yes. Going to start the AC machine with the help of starter. Okay, now after getting started, we will get a rated speed of the motor. After getting a rated speed, you have to build a voltage with the help of field rheostat. See, you have to build a voltage with the help of field rheostat by reducing the field rheostat. Field rheostat current is increases. By reducing this, the voltage also going to build up across the armature terminal of DC shunt generator. Up to 220. 220 means here 110 multiplied with 2. Now we got it 220. 110 multiplied with 2. After that, you have to give a load after getting the 220 voltage. close the load current switch and turn on this one. Turn on the load of this. Again, one more switch is there for the load. Now see, after giving the load above. Now initially at load current is 0. So now we have to give one by one load. Just give this one load. Show the reading. Yes. Now current is increased, voltage is dropped when our load is applied. Again one more load. Current is increased, voltage again dropped below 220 voltage. It means below 110. Again one more load. It near to 2 and it is came to less than 100. One more load. It is 2.5. It is above 90. Previously it is 100. One more load. Yes, now it is more than 3 ampere load current. Now it is less than 90 voltage. Now it is the load voltage is going to decrease because of increasing the load current. That is enough. We can go up to rated current of this machine. Of the switch. Turn off all the loads. Current is decreases. Load current. And open the switch, DPSP switch, and reduce the voltage appearing across generator terminal by using the field restart. Sir, then we can off the supply of AC machine.